Good morning, student. Now today we are going to start new chapter, determinant, under which we have already discussed about the concept of this chapter. Now today we will start the board examination questions. Okay. So first question is then use product 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 and 4. Question and this is minus 201 9 2 minus 3 and 6 1 minus 2. Okay, student, using the product of these two to solve the system of linear equation, which is we have to give an x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1. Okay, student, and 2y minus 3z is equal to 1 3x and 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. Okay, so using this product we have to find out we have to solve the solution of this system of linear equation. Okay, student, means we have to find the value of x, y and z using this product. Okay, so student, when we will find out this equation, we get from here our a is 1 minus 1 2 and 0 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 4. Okay, student, and our x is equal to x, y z, and our b is 1 1 2. Okay, students, so now we will find the product of these two. Okay, so which is a and like this is c, because a and a are same, so AC is, what will be this AC? We multiply first to first column, so we write minus 2 minus 9 plus 12 and this 0 and minus 2 plus 2 and this part 1 plus 3 minus 4. Okay, student, this is 0 and plus 80 minus 80, this is 0 4 minus 3 and this is 0 minus 6 and plus 6. Okay, now like this is minus 6 and plus minus 80 and plus 24, and taking this 0 and minus 4 plus 4, getting this 3 minus minus plus 6 and minus 8. Okay, student, now we will further multiply this and get, we are getting, this is 1 and this is 0 and this is 0, this is 0, 1 and 0, and 18, this is 0, 0 and 1. Okay, so we are getting student AC is equal to our identity matrix. Now student, using these results, these product, we have to find out, solve the equations which is given to us. Okay, so for find out the solution of this system of linear equation student, we have to find out the inverse first. Okay, because we know that AX is equal to B, and this implies X is equal to A inverse B. So find out X, Y, Z. We have to find out first A inverse. Okay, so this is equal to identity matrix student. Now we are multiplying both sides with A inverse, which is I A inverse. So when we multiply this I with A inverse, we get in right hand side student A inverse. Okay, so this is our A inverse, and here student A into A inverse is identity. So student, our A inverse is equal to C. So we have find out our A inverse is equal to C. So A inverse, from here we are getting our matrix C, which is -2, 0, 1, 9, 2, -3, and 6, 1, -2. Okay, student, this is our A inverse. Now we put all these values, which is X, Y, Z, with A inverse is -2, 0, 1, 9, 2, -3, and 6, 1, -2, and V, which is 1, 1, 2. Okay, friends, now we multiply this and comparing both sides, and we will get the required result. Okay, friends, so let's start multiply again. We get -2 plus 0 plus 2, and this is 9 plus 2 minus 6, and this is 6 plus 1 minus 4. Okay, friends, now we can write 0, and 9 and 2, 11 minus 6, 5, 6 and 1, 7 minus 4, which is 3. Now this is our X, Y, and Z. So X, Y, Z is equal to student 0, 5 and 3. So in this way we can calculate this system of linear equation which we have to given using the product of these two. Okay, first of all student, we will find out the product of these two, and from here we are getting this is equal to an identity matrix. Okay, so at the place of this we can write I. This is identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now we are multiplying both sides with A inverse. So we are getting A inverse C, and here I inverse. And you know student, if we are multiplying with any matrix to the identity matrix, we get that matrix again. So here is A inverse. So IC is equal to A inverse, and you know this will be equal to I. So IC is equal to A inverse, and this IC will be equal to C. So A inverse is equal to C, and our C is this matrix, so we can write our A inverse is this. Okay students, now we know that this AX is equal to B. Okay, so X can be written as A inverse B. So this is our X, which is X, Y, Z, and A inverse which we have find out just, and B, which is our right hand side 1, 1, 2. Now when we are multiplying this first row, first column, second row, first column, second row, third row, first column, and student getting what? xyz is 0, 5, 3. This is our required result. Okay. Now I hope you understand. Now we take another question, students. Our next question, student, solve the following system of equation by using matrix method. Okay, our question is 2x plus 3y plus 10z is equal to 4. 10z is equal to 4. 4x minus 6y plus 5z is equal to 1. 6x plus 9y minus 20yz is equal to 2. 20yz is equal to 2. Okay, students. So these are the three equations, student, which we have to solve by using matrix method. Okay, students. So first of all, we will let in this equation 1 by x is u, 1 by y is v, 1 by z is w. Okay, so equation will be changed to u 3v is 10w is equal to 4. 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. 6u plus 9v minus 20w is equal to 2. These are the three equations, student, which we have to solve and find the equation of x, y, z. Okay, this is our question. Now, student, this equation can be written as x is equal to b, where a is 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. And x is x, y, z. And b is 4, 1, 2. Okay. So this is our equations. And now, student, we have to solve these by using matrix method and find the value of x, y, z. Okay, student. So first of all, student, we will find the determinant of A. If the determinant of A is not equal to 0, then we can say that our inverse exists. Okay, students. So the determinant of A is 2 minus 45 minus 3 minus 80 minus 30 and plus 10, 36 minus 36. Okay, student. Now student, we will solve this and get what is the result. So this is 2 into 5 and minus 3 into minus 110 plus 10 into 150 plus and this is determinant of A. Now we add this, we get 0. Okay, students, so this is not equal to 0. So we can say that our A inverse exists. Okay, student. So if I find out A inverse, we first find out the cofactors. So cofactors C11 is, this is cancelled. So this is equal to 75. C12 is minus 80 minus 30. This is equal to 110 and C13 is 36 plus 36 which is 72. Now C21 is minus, this is cancelled, minus 60 and minus 90 which is 150 and C22 is cancelled, minus 40 minus 60 which is minus 100. C23 is, this is cancelled, 80 minus 80 which is 0. Okay, students. So C1 is 75, C12 is 110 and C13 is 72. C21 is 150, C22 is minus 100 and C23 is 0. Now C31 is when this cancel, 15 minus plus 15 plus 60 and this is 75. C32 is minus, this is cancelled, 10 minus 40 which is 30. Okay, now C33 is, this is cancelled, so minus 12 which is minus 24. Okay, students, so these are the cofactors. Okay, now students, our adjoint of A will be what? Adjoint of A is the transpose of this cofactors 75, 110, 72 and this is 150 and this is minus 100, this is 0, 75, 30 and this is minus 24 and transpose of this, so we get adjoint 75, 110, 72, 150, minus 100 and 0, 75, 30, minus 24. Okay, student. So this is our adjoint. Now, student, we know the formula that A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A. Now we put all the values and get our A inverse. So A inverse is this adjoint of A 75, 150, and this is again 75. So 110 minus 100, and this is 30. So 72, 0 minus 24 student. So this is our A inverse divided by determinant of A, which is 1200. So A inverse is this student. Now this is X, which is equal to A inverse. So X is UVW. So student, here X is our UVW because now our A inverse is this. (72) 0 minus 24, and B, which is 4, 1, 2. Now we multiply these two and comparing and get the result. Okay student, now multiply this. So it will be equal to what? 300 plus 150 plus 150, okay, and this is, and minus 100 plus 30 and this is 0 and minus 48. Okay students, so 1 by 1200 is, this is 3 and 3, 6, and this is 440 minus 100, 340 and 33, 70, and this is now so student, here will be 60, okay, and solving this we get, so student, now we multiply this U, V and W, we get 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, and this is cancelled, 1 by 5, okay student. So our U, V, W, so our U is 1 by 2, so X is 2 and Y is 3 and Z is 5. Okay student, so in this way we can find out the solution of this system of linear equation. Okay students, so student, let's see once again what we have done in this question. Our question is solve the system of linear equation which is given in this form, and in this form. Okay. So first of all, we have supposed that this is like this 1 by x is equal to u. This 1 by y is equal to v, and 1 by z is equal to w. Okay, student. So this is, we can write 2u plus 3v plus 10w is equal to 4, and 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. And student, this is 16 plus 9b minus 20w is equal to 2. Now this equation, student, can be written as in the form of ax is equal to b. So a is, student, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, and 6, 9 minus 20, 6, 9 minus 20. And our x is u, v, w, which is the variable, and b is 4, 1, 2, which is right hand side. And students, so we have to use matrix method. So you know that in the matrix method, we first, so from here, student, we are seeing that x is equal to a inverse b. So find out the system of linear equation, solution of system of linear equation. We have first find out what a inverse, and you know a inverse. How can we find out? A inverse is our adjoint of a by determinant of a. So student, a inverse exists only when the determinant of a is not equal to 0. Then a inverse exists, students. So first of all, we have find out the a inverse, a determinant of a. So from here we are seeing that this part is cancelled, multiplication of this, taking this, and we can write this, and then we get, after solving this, we are seeing that our determinant is equal to 1200, student. So this is not equal to 0, and we can say that our a inverse is exist. Okay. If our a inverse exists, student, so for find out a inverse, we know the formula of adjoint of a by determinant of a. So first we will find out the adjoint of a, and you know adjoint of a is the transpose of, okay, the cofactors. So first we will find out the cofactors. Okay, so cofactors C11, which is cancel this and this, we write this 75. C12, which is 110. C13, which is 72. C21, which is 150. C22, which is minus 110. C23, which is 0. And C31 is 75. C32 is 30. C33 is minus 24. Okay, student. So our cofactors are these. Now these cofactors we will write in the matrix form, and taking the transpose of this, then students we get our what? Adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is the cofactors and transpose of these cofactors. So we are getting our adjoint 75, 110, 72, 150, 100 and 0. This is 75, 30 minus 24. Student, this is our adjoint of A. And now after getting the result adjoint of A, we are seeing that our A inverse will be what? Our A inverse will be equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. And you know, we have already find out the determinant of A, which is 1200. Okay. So we will write here, this is our adjoint of A and this is determinant of A, student. So A inverse is this. Now student, we have to find out the value of the variables. So we know that condition x is equal to A inverse B, and you know our x is u, v, w. So we substitute these value in this equation. So u, v, w, and A inverse is 1 by 1200. This is 75, 150, 75, and this is, and B is, our B is 412. Okay, students. So B is 412. So now when we multiply this with this B and get what? 1 by 1200, 300 plus 150. 150 because first row, first column, first row, second row, first column, third row, first column, getting this, and u, v, w will be equal to 1 by 1200. After adding this we get 600, 400, 240. And students, when we multiply this 1200 inside the, so it will be multiplied with each term, because this is the property of matrix. So we multiply with these r terms, we get 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5, students. So from here we are getting our u, v, w is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, and in the starting students we have supposed that this u is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to u and u is 1 by 2. So our x is equal to 2 students, which we have written here. Similarly students, our v is equal to 1 by y and u is and v is 1 by 3. So our y is student 3. Similarly, our z, which is equal to our w, which is 1 by 5 and which is equal to 1 by z. So our z will be equal to 5 student. So in this way student, we can find out the system of solution of such type of questions. I hope you understand students. So thank you so much.